One Tesla Model Y was speeding out of control and caused 2 deaths and 3 injuries. The driver said he stepped on the brakes, but the Tesla denied and telling the media its data showed the brake pedal was not applied during the accident. Now the police waiting for third-party detection results. Who is lying? A netizen left a message on my video. Don't bother, just give the drivers a polygraph test and you will understand.
Does the court accept polygraph test in US?
The 11th Circuit held that polygraph results are admissible when the parties stipulate to admissibility in advance of the results, or when the polygraph results are used to impeach or corroborate the testimony of a witness. So it's admissible in US court.
How accurate is the polygraph result?
In fact, if you have been trained, you can tell a lie without panic and blushing. On the contrary, some people will be nervous when telling the truth. Just like this father who spoke at the wedding banquet of his son, he should be happy and nervous but not lying. So the polygraph is not necessarily accurate.
How to perform a polygraph test?
The polygraph can record a person's heart rate, blood pressure, respiration, skin conductivity, and reaction speed.
Test method.
For example, the tester shows you 2 cards and then put them into the other 6 cards and then ask you one by one which of the 8 cards you have not seen. The tester have marked each card in advance so they know which ones you haven't seen and which one you have. This is the control group questions. And then interspersed with questions related to the case and questions irrelevant. Most questions can be answered with just a yes or no, quite straightforward. If the subject tries to lie, it will inevitably cause various abnormal emotional manifestations, which are reflected by pulse, respiration, and skin conductivity. Among them, the skin conductivity is the most sensitive and difficult to control or fake. And it is the main basis for the polygraph. So, do you think it is necessary for the driver to take the polygraph test?